Hello, I am Carl Don Stover, and I teach at Ellsworth, Kansas. I am the agriculture instructor and FFA advisor. I teach animal science, horticulture, introduction to agriculture, ag projects, fuel engines, welding 1, junior high agriculture, ag communications and leadership, ag business, ag independent study. The FFA program runs with about 55 members. I am a class sponsor for the freshmen. I am on the school and district leadership team and the professional development committee at my district. I am on the State FFA Foundation Board of Directors, and I am active in the Kansas Association of Agriculture Educators. My school is Ellsworth Junior Senior High School. We are a 2A school in a small Kansas community. The school population is 98% white, and we are over 50% free and reduced lunches. Our school community is dominated by agriculture and manufacturing careers, with other emphasis on supporting businesses. I am happily married to my husband, Jeremy. We own a small farm and ranch outside of Beloit, Kansas. Thus, I commute to work every day about an hour to Ellsworth. My school administrators are the superintendent, high school principal, high school vice principal, and the athletic director. Our superintendent is very knowledgeable on state and federal regulations and laws. He is very active on state logistics and has been to multiple state school law hearings. He sends out all staff members updates on current laws happening in the state and federal House and Senate. This is in an email format. He also sends an update on how rules are affecting us. He is very knowledgeable on district board policy. I have interviewed him multiple times and have asked him many questions about different policies. He is never afraid to say something he doesn't know, to call a person and ask for clarification and help. He has some great contacts through his superintendent and principal network. My principal is still learning about board policies and state and federal laws. This is his 3rd year of being a principal. He is a big proponent of if he doesn't know, he wants to find out. He will call, look up information, or connect me with a more knowledgeable person. Every year, he gets better and more knowledgeable about laws relating to different programs. The athletic director is also the vice principal at my school. He knows all about the rules and regulations of dealing with sports and clubs. I have asked him multiple times about Keisha rulings and how to proceed in different situations when dealing with sports students. Next, let's go to what I know. I am the specialist in CTE rules and regulations at my school. CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. We have 5 CTE programs at Ellsworth. Mine in agriculture, the Woods and Construction Pathway, the FACS Program Pathway, the Communications Pathway, which specializes in journalism and photography, and the Business Pathway. With pathways, we have to fill out a variety of different paperwork and maintain to our own pathway regulations on the state and national level so that we continue having funding. I understand board policy. In another class, I actually had to find the board policy rule book and go through it. It is a big book, and I read a variety of different policy, so I now know if I am unsure where it is, I know exactly where to go and look. I have read the employee handbook. I have been to multiple school board meetings and negotiation meetings. I am also up to date on all the agriculture and FFA and student rules and regulations that deal with agriculture education, as I am on the Foundation's Board of Directors. My plan for this class is to make new connections that specialize in school law. I don't know everyone, and I want to have that network of people who can help me in different situations so that I can become more knowledgeable and that we do the right things in my school someday. Next, I want to learn from my classmates in their different situations. I actually went through the videos first and then did Module 1, and I was like, wow, I am in a group right now that has such a different look and a different experience that I can really learn from. 3, I want to read up on different state and federal laws. I want to understand more and be more up to date on other things that do not relate to agriculture, FFA, and CTE programs. Next, I want to obtain the correct verbiage to discuss school law with others. I think saying the right lingo is going to help me be more respected and able me to have those conversations about school law and regulations that I need to have when I'm a principal. Thank you guys. I'm really excited about learning with you. Have a great day.